Hello, and welcome to the First at Home Bridge Design Challenge. Bridges have been around for thousands of years, and today architects design beautiful and functional bridges with unique features that reflect a city, its culture, and its geography and climate. And they have to find a balance between the beauty, form, and function of their designs. And today, you are going to choose your favorite place in the world and think about what kind of bridge you could design that would fit well in this place. Would it be across water or land? Who will use this bridge? What will be its purpose? What will it look like? And how does the local culture influence what the bridge looks like? Create an artistic, unique, and innovative bridge that is also structurally sound. Today, here are some words that you'll be learning and using in today's lesson. The first word is function, which is what the bridge you're trying to build it will be able to accomplish. The second word is structure, which is a foundation upon which your bridge will be built upon. The load is what your bridge will be carrying. The material is what your bridge will be made out of. The form is the shape of the bridge. And the engineering design process is a list of steps that you will use to come up with ideas and then improve upon them. As you build your bridge, here's some criteria and constraints we want you to follow. The first one is your bridge design must be considered to have form and function for its intended purpose. The bridge should be designed for locations, geography, climate, culture, and terrain. The drawing should include supports and land/water features on either side of the bridge, and drawing should be detailed and contain all relevant information. It could be drawn to scale or on graph paper. Now, before you begin building your bridge, I have a couple questions I want you to answer, which will help give you an idea on what type of bridge you should make. The first one is, what are the main parts of a bridge? The second is, what are the different types of bridges? How were early bridge structures created and what materials were used? And last, what technological advances have there been in bridge CAD design and simulation? To complete this activity, you will brainstorm how you would design your bridge structure by sketching your ideas on a separate sheet of paper. And then you will choose your favorite bridge design and create a detailed 2D and or 3D drawing of your bridge design on a separate sheet of paper. And you'll be labeling and describing the following on your drawing as you create your bridge. The following would be the bridge type, the bridge place and location, the building materials, the estimated cost, the bridge form and function, bridge style and features. Now that you've completed your challenge, here are a couple questions I want you to ask. Why did you choose your place and location for your bridge? How was your bridge design unique and innovative? How did others in your team/class design their bridges? How did you ensure bridge design was structurally sound? And what skills did you use or learn in this activity? And if you really enjoy this activity, you can go even further by building a model of your bridge design using materials you have at home. And these could include paper, spaghetti, wood, toothpicks, straws, or any other supplies. You can also examine what forces act on your bridge by placing different objects of the center of the bridge until it fails, which would be like pennies or other coins that can be used as weights. Last but not least, don't forget to use the core value self-reflection sheet to see how well you did in this challenge.